welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $6,328 level. We are currently ranked at 257 with a market cap of about $202 level. So today we are going to be looking at the bull market EMAs, where they are and what that means right here for YFI going forward. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And so for YFI, it's in the last 1 week. As you can see, YFI is not up a lot and we are not down a lot, basically just flat in the last 1 week. So without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we on the chart right here for YFI, YFI versus the USD Theta. We on the 3 days time frame. Binance is the data source. And so right here for YFI, the first thing is that you can see we are holding this supply level right here, this support level, which means we should be expecting another impulsive push towards that $10,000 level. But why are we so confident of this push? Right here, the first reason first is our momentum chart, right? The momentum chart, let's bring this up. Sorry, I want to get the momentum chart up. It looks like it's freezing. Okay, yeah, we got it up. So the momentum chart continues to remain bullish. As you can see right here, we are flipping bullish, showing that there are more buying volume, and we are not even seeing any sort of selling volume coming in right here at the moment, right? So if this continues remains like this, expect higher price targets for the price of YFI. Now, the second reason why we are bullish is the bull market EMAs, which is the main reason we are even bullish. As you can see, we are currently holding the support of the bull market EMA1. So best reason, every time we held that support, we saw prices push above, held the support, push above. So currently next target which we should be expecting is above those $8,000 level, and we could even go as high as the $10,000 level. This is the perfect setup. As you can see, above bull market EMA1, we are about to cross. Expect another impulsive push towards those $10,000 level right here for YFI. So that's the update right here on YFI. YFI continues to remain bullish, and we continue to expect higher price targets for the price of YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.